FreeCool ACDC Intelligent Hybrid Solar Air Conditioner. Introducing FreeCool ACDC, the intelligent hybrid solar air conditioner, certified by UL Energy Verified, IEC/EC, ESMA, SASO, G-Mark, and more. A next-generation cooling solution designed for maximum energy savings, zero-compromise performance, and quick ROI efficiency. Why FreeCool Solar Hybrid AC? Because smart cooling should save money, not burn electricity. Up to 88% average daily energy savings. 85 to 100% solar power during peak sunlight. Carbon reduction, 0.73 to 1.2 tons of CO2 every year. This is cooling, powered by the sun. Smart, future-proof hybrid solar technology. This is long-term savings, engineered for performance. What you gain with FreeCool ACDC? Lower electricity bills. Stronger performance in hot climates. Smart hybrid solar management. 24/7 reliable cooling. Low maintenance. A greener, cleaner environment. Conclusion. FreeCool ACDC is more than an air conditioner. It's a transformation in how you cool your world, intelligently, sustainably, and cost-effectively. Energy saved. Bills reduced. Comfort elevated. Future secured. Let's talk green energy. Ready to upgrade to smarter, cleaner, and more affordable cooling? Contact us today and discover how FreeCool ACDC can lower your electricity bill and elevate your comfort. Email, sales@freecooler.com. FreeCool ACDC, cooling powered by the sun.